The United States of America has been built on immigration. We can all agree on that. What we don't agree on is the immigration policies and the laws that are in place. The reason that immigration law is such an important aspect is that it's ever-changing. And the reason why I say it's ever-changing is the fact that the president has the power with the stroke of a pen to change the laws by executive order. So the prior administration was very aggressive in their immigration policies. For instance, there was a quota put on the immigration judges stating they have to deport a certain amount of people within a certain amount of time, which takes away from a lot of people's due process and their right to a trial. Now, we can all agree there's certain people that probably should be deported, but there's also a lot of people that have done it the right way and should be allowed to stay in this country, provide for their families and pay taxes and do all the things that us Americans do. This administration has allowed a lot more people to get a path to a green card, where they have a Social Security number, they're paying taxes. If they're already here, there shouldn't be obstacles in place that don't allow them to do that. So with that said, the immigration is a very fluid process, and it's a very complicated process because there's so much red tape that the immigrant and their family members have to go through in order to get to that end goal, which is usually a green card, or after that, a path to citizenship. Without even hiring a lawyer, it's going to cost roughly around $2,000. It's not a fortune to a lot of people, but to these people that are coming in this country who aren't allowed to work, $2,000 is a lot of money. Well, where do they start? The USCIS.gov website has been overhauled to give a tremendous amount of information to assist them in filling out the paperwork, where to file it, how much it costs, where to sign it. They also have to provide all their information and documents. Those documents are birth certificates, passports, divorce decrees. Now, most likely those documents are in a foreign language, or they're not with the immigrant because that immigrant came here with very little, if anything, and they don't have their paperwork. The next part is navigating through the various buildings and offices that the immigrant must attend to get this process completed. The premise of all this is that it's not easy to get a green card. I believe there's a big misunderstanding in this country that somebody walks over the border or flies here on an airplane and they get a green card and they work. That's just not the case. They still have to go through the process that I explained. And moreover, they have to be qualified to do all that. Most of the clients I deal with have been through tremendous tragedy, loss, and all the negative things you could possibly think about have happened to these people. These are clients coming from all over the globe that are suffering. We can't even imagine what they're going through. To pick up from your home, leave everything, just to seek a new life and a better life for you and your family.
Hi, I'm Shirley.
And I'm Regina Mitchell. For more videos like this, subscribe to WHYY.